Good morning, guys.
Good morning and happy Sunday. We are currently parked right outside of a Target, about to go in and get our groceries for a fun week of camping. We slept in a little bit, not really. We woke up at like 8 a.m., grabbed breakfast, and yeah, we're just about to get restocked for the week, and we are camping in
Utah. So yeah, we just drove like 11 hours yesterday, or I just drove 11 hours yesterday.
Yeah.
So from California, we were there for a few weeks, spent some time with family 1 week. So it was a really good time, but we decided to head to Utah where there's a little bit more dispersed camping and, just be back kind of like in the area we really like. So yeah, we're going to be camping here this week, and hopefully there will be a couple more videos we put out later. But hey, come along with us today and we'll show you one of our Sundays trying to find a camp spot and see what other fun things we do.
Yeah, so something we found that is extremely helpful after grocery shopping, when we come back and put everything into the camper, we will get rid of all the extra packaging, so all the boxes, the bags, and everything, and it just helps us have so much more room during the week to find everything in our limited pantry size. It's snowing. Literal snowflakes just landed in the front seat.
I don't see how that's geologically possible.
Well, guys, we just made it into Zion, and we were going to try to fit in a quick little 3-mile hike before going to find our campsite. And we got here, we changed, and then it started raining, but now it's picked up and it's snowing, kind of hailing, sleeting. I don't know. It's a whole mixture, and I just don't think we want to be out hiking for the next 2 hours in those conditions. So I think we're just gonna, I don't know, maybe go find our campsite and chill out for the rest of the night.
Yep. Sometimes you gotta pivot, guys.
Yep.
Sometimes you gotta pivot.
Bummer.
Yeah.
Making me the right call.
Yeah. What else are you about to do?
Well, this is our laundry bag, but it's all clean laundry. We were just really bad at it. Like, even when we lived in a house, we were always bad at laundry, so that hasn't changed. But we have all of this to fold and put away, so we're gonna get that done now.
Fun times, guys.
Yep.
So guys, Kaylin already put all of her laundry up.
We did.
She's now putting some dirty clothes in the bag. How's your snack?
Good.
What'd you get? Oh.
Solid. Would recommend. Excuse me, sir.
What did it? So guys, as you can see, the camper is pretty much clean. Everything's put away. Kaylin did a great job spearheading that effort. I did my best, but no, Kaylin did a good job cleaning everything up. So we're about to just chill out probably for the rest of the night, cook some dinner, and just relax before the work week starts tomorrow.
Oh my gosh.
This scared the crap out of me. Alright guys. So for dinner. Am I recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Dinner we're having this Kevin's teriyaki style beef. It's just like a simple meal and it's like pretty healthy for the most part, so that's a lot easier to cook. So we're gonna have that, and then we're also gonna have some basmati rice to go with it. So just a little teriyaki beef and rice. About to whip that up shortly.
Woo.
Guys, I don't know if this looks that appeasing on camera, but it's teriyaki style beef, basmati rice with some teriyaki style sauce. So it's really good. It may just look kind of like a little mosh pit of stuff, but it's good.
One bite, everyone knows the rules. 7-9 or 8-1.
I don't know. It's probably like a 6-9. I'm just kidding. It's really good.
That was... Let's give it a go. I think it's in the 7s, maybe an 8.
Let's not pump it up too much. No, it's good. It's hearty.
Mm-hmm. Feels cozy.
Warm.
Mm-hmm.
March
Madness stole my husband. Well, guys, I just finished doing all of the dishes. That's kind of my part of the deal. Miles does all the cooking, and then I do the dishes afterwards, and it's just what works out for us, keeps us both happy. So, yeah, we're just about to chill out until the sun goes down and then try to watch a movie later tonight.